my crypto plan has changed. Yes. And this is no clickbait. And I'll give you guys the very good reasons why my crypto plan going forward has changed. And so you might want to listen in. This is going to be a shorter video because I'm just going to cut straight to the chase. All right. No jokes, no nothing. All right. So I could be at work. And I could be driving right now. But don't worry, guys. I'm 100% safe. Do not worry. All right. I can multitask. All right. Anyways, like I said, enough for the jokes. Let me just cut straight to the chase. So, I actually have altered my trading plan of crypto, and here are the reasons why and when I'm going to do it and how I'm going to do it, all right? So, it's pretty simple. The main thing that it has to do with is that Trump did not really sign a crypto national reserve for Bitcoin specifically. It's kind of a gray area executive order that he signed in if you haven't been paying attention. So he signed it yesterday, and honestly, I think that changes a lot, even though the markets didn't crash today or anything, but people were expecting a strategic reserve right away. So I say that to say, for the most part, I used to be more like heavy into long-term holds and a little bit on a day trading, well, not really day trading, but more shorter term trading. You know, I would be 90% in long term and then 10% in shorter term, and my shorter term is typically 1 day to a few weeks, something like that. So, but now, honestly, guys, I'm going more so like it's going to be looking like maybe almost 50-50. Because I say that to say, over the next little bit, it's going to kind of be a tricky market because the main reason, like I said, is the reserve, right? Since it's not firm, like everyone was expecting, I think it's going to be a choppy market for the next little bit until something else acts as a catalyst to really boom us forward, if that makes sense. And I say that to say, even in the Bitcoin charts, you can really notice that the momentum has been dying down. If you look at the MACD, if you look at just the overall chart, it's been kind of like a rounding top. And that's not really a good sign. I'm not saying, please don't get me wrong, I'm not saying that the bull market's over and it's only down from here. No, I'm just saying we have less momentum for now until the markets can kind of reset, or until the markets can get another catalyst. So that's why I'm going a little bit more heavy in trading. And like I said, I don't even day trade that much. I might trade like 2 to 3 times a week, and that's like on a higher end. But before this, I was trading maybe once a week, and my trades were on average a few days. So I'm gonna go a little bit more heavy trading, maybe 2, 3, 4 times a week, because I also don't like over trading. Because at the end of the day, when you over trade, you start to forget your principles, or your things that made you great in the first place, right? You overtrade, you over leverage, you go 20, 30, 40x, and at that point you start losing. So I'm still gonna keep it low because I like to keep my trades lower, 2, 3, 4, 5x. I might go 10x here and there just for fun, right? Because you gotta have fun. Because what's no fun in anything, right? You're gonna lose momentum. So what else was I gonna say? Yeah, because to be honest, guys, my confidence in my trading has boosted a lot. Like over the last 6 months, I would say I've been on a roll. Like I've been killing it, and I ain't trying to brag. Like my win percentage on trades is like 80-85%. So And realistically, I only aim for like 40%, because if your risk to reward ratio is better on the reward, like if it's like a 3-to-1, like you only need like a 30% win rate to be honest. Not even to be honest, like literally just mathematically. So you only really need a 30% plus win rate if you're going a 3-to-1 risk to reward ratio. So I say that to say, I'm just blessed that my trading's really good to where I'm at like an 80% win rate. So I've been moving pretty good. And to be honest, since this bull market has started, like my trading portfolio is way more up than my long-term portfolio. So, and shout out to Stock with Josh, because he kind of opened my eyes to this, and I really respect Stock with Josh, and I'm always looking for the way other people think too. And he said this in I think a video yesterday. He said, this is a trader's market, this bull run. It's looking more of a trader's market, because you can see the price action on most of these cryptos is just like up and down, next level, up and down, next level. So it's like a stair step up rather than just like a parabolic phase, really, like we've had other bull markets. So that's why trading is low-key working more than long-term holding. I know it sucks, we don't want to hear that. We want to hear, the easier way, but you're going to have to low-key learn how to trade a little bit if you want to make a little bit of that bag, right? So that's really all it is. Nothing crazy, nothing super bearish, but I'm just being more protective of my capital, because at the end of the day, I don't want to lose all my gains, man. Like, what's the point of... It's like working out for a year, getting super jacked, and then at the end of the day losing it all right when you're about to go to the beach. Like, there's no point. So I really just want to be way more protective of my capital, but I'm still super bullish. And we never know, because look, this whole strategic reserve, like, it could, like, the executive order that Trump signed, it could end up leading to a strategic reserve of Bitcoin like we expected, but it might take some time. So that's why I'm like, these next few months and stuff, it's going to be a little unpredictable. So yeah, that's all it is. I'm not going to make this too long.